Hmm. Weird. Chameleon-ish. Whoa. This is really cool. For the price I got it for, really good. Red. Interesting. Goes with the valve covers. Really nice. Alright, what else we got? Green? Like green? That's the bad thing. You have to do it one by one. They each have a sensor limited distance. Cool. Cool. Aqua. Let's try the blue spectrum. I like that too. Pretty sure this whole thing's pretty cool. Haven't even gotten to the flash, strobe, fade, and smooth effects. A little darker, smoother, I guess. Now I think that matches whites. Blue underglow, maybe? Nah, maybe not. Is that one? I guess it's the same color. Let's try purple. Or pink. Ha ha ha. Blue. Purple. Pink. I guess you're curious of that too. Alright, let's see what purple looks like. Purple blue. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. Now, let's see what the smooth and stuff is. Smooth intro. Smooth red, I guess. It's like you're just waking up and you haven't had your Folgers in your cup yet. That's cool. It gets warmer and warmer. Sweet. Whoa. Then it starts changing. I'm not gonna wait on that. This just flickers, I guess. And this one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That one wasn't supposed to be there. But it's there. That might can get a person in trouble. That was not a feature I expected to have. But pretty cool nonetheless. All it's missing now is sirens. 3-4. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up. You seen this? It's pretty cool. When I'm driving on this thing again, I'll test it out at a distance, but it shines really good. I'll turn the light off one more time. Yeah, you can see it. For sure. It's shining all on the wall. That'll get a person in trouble. That is for sure. Change color to green. Oops, turned it off. Yeah, it sounds really good. I guess I'll end this video before it gets too long, but yeah, you guys saw the coolness of it. So with that being said, later.